When I grow up, I want to be a rock star.
Maanda na pag-aaral.
James Ryan F. Jamero, most generous, subject excellence in math. Shoji S. Kurata, most artistic, subject excellence in math and reading, High 9 awardee.
When I grow up, I want to be a pilot.
Gian Vicenzo K. Lariano, most playful, subject excellence in math.
Million ka! When I grow up, I want to be a lawyer.